Kid free! Kid free! God damn it! Kid free! Y'all don't understand, man. With the weather and the fucking holidays and shit, she been in school like fucking 3 days this year. I need a break. Thank you. And they talking about snow again? Fuck me. Yeah, they got moss mans all over. And I thought this shit would be hard to find. There's nothing here. That looks good. She wants that Black Panther. She's debating. Look at her.
I'm looking at this.
Got that medals.
Yeah, I like this stuff.
She's falling victim, people.
No, I'm not.
She wants it.
This shit.
Yeah, it's
You
badass.
You better move for that price.
It's that shit that nerd Cletus wants to build right here. Nerd ass. Cletus. Let me see what I'm gonna build for my first Lego build. Probably this one right here.
This little one?
Yeah, I'll do that one. That looks on my level. Now that looks badass right there. It don't come with the snow.
I'm just thinking about that time you farted. Walgreens when you was recording.
I'm recording now. You gonna tell people how I'm fucking farting?
I was imagining.
Yo, these shit's expensive. No, not now.
They are expensive. $135?
Yeah, I didn't realize how expensive these shits are. I can appreciate people building them now. Cause I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, you can get the $20 one.
Yeah, that's what Bibby be doing. Bibby be doing that shit, getting a cheap drink. And be proud as hell. Look at my car.
This type of shit.
I don't see nothing I like. They got some brickheads. I'll build a brickhead. Yeah, that's dope. But where do you put it after you build it?
On the shelf.
They had a flash. I know Danny would love that. Oh, there go the flash right there. Hey, Danny, you seen this? That new joint. Got Aquaman too. Cyborg where? Oh. Yeah, I don't see no Legos I would build. I'm waiting for the day I see one of you nerds with one of these shits. Holy shit. This is probably Bibby when he watching Lord of the Rings. At the library, because this nerd wants to read. Fuck. This ain't no pops in here. Fucking nerds reading books and shit.
Later that same evening.
So I'm at the crib chilling, right? The hunt was over with for the day. Didn't really find nothing. I'm chilling, relaxing on the sofa. The homie Franklyn FM Mcinnis wants to post a video of him finally going out for a hunt, which was dope to see him out there hunting. But anyway, he's looking for a moss man. He couldn't find one. And it just so happened that I found like 8 early this morning. So we're going to Toys R Us right now, cop him one. The homie's looking for, gotta help him out. And I'm gonna hit up Walgreens because 2 movies just hit Redbox today that I've been looking for. The Snowman, I think it's called The Snowman, where he turns out his victim like the snowman and shit. Been dying to see that. And I'm finally gonna see it. So I'm gonna hit up Redbox and Walgreens, and then I'm gonna go inside and see what they got. Hopefully we find something good. I doubt it. Walgreens, I really haven't had any luck at Walgreens, man. There's no chases. Walgreens is terrible down here. It's the same shit, the same stock. It's crazy. But I'm going to one near Toys R Us that's not near me, so hopefully it's something different. Toys R Us is not too far, but not too close at the same time, so Franklyn, you better enjoy this moss, man, bruh. I see y'all there, man. And get more footage of the same shit, because I was there this morning. Your timing is terrible, Franklyn. You should film this yesterday or early this morning when I was already out. See y'all there. Toys R Us, back again. Okay, let's get a good one. That looks pretty good. Shit, these look good. These look better than the ones I got. I should buy all of them and bring the ones back that I got. Yeah, those look good. Yeah, all these look good. I should buy these and bring back my bad ones for J. Rogers. That looks good. Yeah, J. Rogers, I'm gonna get you a better one, bruh. I think I need me a good one too. Nah, it's out of box, so yeah. His tooth look like it's fucked up. But J. Rogers said he don't care about boxes, so. All right, Franklyn, I got one for you, bro. Damn, that shit looks badass. Damn. That looks good. Where's Hot Rod? They got a Hot Rod? I hope Jempy just picked this up. This shit look badass. I wish they had these in adults. I'd definitely get that one. No Teen Titan Go Funko Pops. The night begins to shine. That ain't bad. Mission accomplished for the homie Franklyn. Shit, we in the hood, so I'm gonna go check this Walmart out and see if they got the pink Black Panther Marvel Legend. Hopefully there's no hood boogers out here that collect, so we'll see. And I can say hood booger because I'm from the hood, so you hood boogers who collect, don't get offended. Let's go check out this Walmart. God damn! About a $20 Marvel Legend, but puts $10 in the pump. Shit, I'm cheap. Give me my fucking pops. Let's get these movies, see what they got inside. I still need to get this one. I like that. That's all the pops they got. Let me ask and see if they got some more in the back. Yo, what's good, guys? Back at the crib. Today was pretty productive. I went out to search for the Teen Titan Go Pops, the new ones. Me and my kids love that show, especially the Night Begins to Shine episode, that whole movie or whatever. Couldn't find any, but I'm hearing that Hot Topic might have them. I don't know. They might have Robin or Nightwing. Whatever. I'll look for them. But when I this morning couldn't find anything, that footage was just going to be used for whatever. I don't know. But I did come across 4 to 6 Mossmen. I come home, I'm chilling. I get on Redbox. I see that they got the movies that we want. I also watched Franklyn finally went on a hunt. He showed some footage. His in search of today was Moss Man. He didn't come across any, so I hit him up like, look, Franklyn, I'll hit you off with a Moss Man. I found some this morning. I headed out to go get him a Moss Man. And mission accomplished. We got him a Moss Man, as you saw in the footage. So, homie, this is for you. No trade necessary. I'll email you and get your information, and I'll send this out to you probably by end of this week. You know, this for you, brother. From one YouTuber to another, it's yours. Then, because of Franklyn, I went to a Walmart in the hood. Theory was right. The hood boogers didn't collect out there. Well, they did, because I saw the place was empty as hell, but we did end up finding the Black Panther, the pink Black Panther, whatever you call. I call it the pink Black Panther or Pink Panther because of the pink accents and the pink fireballs or whatever. I don't know, but this figure. See, I don't do figs, man. Y'all got me doing figs, and I don't do figs. This figure, not pop, is dope. Look at that, man. That shit is dope, man. Comes with 2 additional hands, another head sculpt, and it's got the flames. It's dope. So while I was out, I also went to Walgreens. I went to go pick up my Redbox movies. We copped them. I said, let me check out Walgreens, see what they got. Boom. Found a Black Panther. I don't have this. I have the Killmonger, but not this one. You could have picked this up anywhere, but the simple fact that I got this for $1.07. The little Walgreens rewards points. Where's my receipt? So y'all know I ain't bullshit. The little Walgreens rewards drinks. I've been saving them up. $1.07. Yeah, fucking light. It's $1. Total was $1.07. I paid with $5.10, and I got $4.03 left back. So yeah, I got this for $1, man. So y'all use y'all reward points. It's been double taped. I wonder if somebody. No, the pieces are there. So anyway, yeah, we picked up Black Panther. I'm not going to do the building figure for Okoye. So I know the homie Bam 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 Sam is collecting this wave, and I know he's going to do the builder figure. So, bruh, if you need this piece, which I'm pretty sure you won't need because I know you're collecting all these anyway, so let me know, man. I'll send it out to you. But yeah, we got that. And we got a letter from Abel down at Fig Life, Miami. It's an Alliance sticker and a Fig Life sticker. If anybody wants these, mention it down in the comments below and I'll pick somebody. Pick a number from 1 to 200. Closest one to the number wins. So this will be a giveaway to whoever wants a Fig Life sticker and an Alliance sticker. I don't need it. So let me know if you want it. Alright guys, that's it. Quick video, quick hunt. Sorry for not much footage. Sorry for not many finds. But, you know, as I said, today I set out for the Teen Titans Night Begins to Shine Pops. I really want that CeeLo Bear. I want all of them, but the CeeLo Bear is one that I want personally. It's going to be a battle and a fight between me and my kids because we love Teen Titans. So I don't want to buy doubles, but fuck. You know how that go. Anyway, quick vid. Sorry about that. Sometimes you find shit, sometimes you don't. Luckily, I found shit, and I was able to get a video out to you guys. If you're watching this, you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please like, share, and comment. And as always, I'll see y'all on the next hunt.